welcome. This is Noble. I welcome you to Proactive Thinking program where you will think like a billionaire and you will achieve super success in your life. You will apply these skills in your life. So let me talk about myself. I am Noble. I am a self-taught computer scientist. I failed. 7th standard and then became self-taught computer scientist in artificial intelligence, and I am a super consciousness expert. Okay, and I am founder of Noble Transformation Hub, and we've served around 4,000 plus students and 500 plus teachers. I've spent around 75,000 US dollars on these skills: digital skills, future skills, freedom and transformational skills, technological skills, soft skills, and I have done 500 plus global digital skills trainings. I have done 100 plus projects on these skills with GE, Wipro Technologies, Himalayan Institute of Alternative, Ladakh, Teach for India, Harvard Medical School, Toastmasters International, Voxon University, and I have done research over 15 years on these skills and apply these skills in the projects and in my real life. So let's go to the mission. Our mission is to serve 1.8 billion millionaires globally to achieve ultimate growth, to create 100 million new digital teachers and leaders 2030 to meet global education goals. Okay, so we'll go to the next video where we'll learn why proactive thinking skills are important, and how we should we'll learn why they are important, and then we'll go to further videos. Thank you so much.